Hi everyone, Letty here. Our in-person event, the Paperie project, is coming up this weekend. So I wanted to show you my final class project kits and give you a ton of sneak peeks. So welcome back everyone. Our in-person event, the Paperie project, I'm hosting or co-hosting with Tobey and also with Debbie, is this weekend. And so I wanted to show you just a little bit of what I've been working on to prepare for this event, show you my project kits, show you some of the freebies and the goodies and things that are going to be involved in my class specifically, which is gift card holders 3 ways. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make a gift card holder. And actually, one of my projects has 2 different options, option A and option B. So really it's 4 different gift card holders if you really think about it. So I've got all of my instructions and the 3 different projects sort of laid out, the instructions as well as your supplies, your dimensions. I've got just a ton of goodness here ready to go for my class. Breaking it down step by step, you know, how you can make these projects. And we're going to do them in person together on the event on Saturday or at the event. I also have some QR codes here to show you some of the supplies we'll be using, as well as some additional links. And one of them is to get on a wait list for some Not Too Shabby products. Not Too Shabby is having a new release next month, and we are actually going to be using these products for one of my classes that I'm going to be showing, or one of the projects in my class. So super excited there that we'll be able to use some of those items before anybody else. And so Not Too Shabby has also donated some prizes and has a special discount code for everyone who's attending. There are some other companies that are also going to be donating and also having discount codes. So we'll share all of that with you. Here's just another little sneak peek of this bundle that's going to be available in December. A couple of paper pads, some enamel dots, ephemera, super, super cute. Again, if you're attending, you'll be able to use some of this and see it in person. I've also gone and got some little glue bottles, and I'm going to be giving everybody a sample of this PVA glue that we use. Tobey had first showed it to me. I use it pretty much on all of my projects now. You'll see, you probably recognize that dirty bottle. So that's what I use. I bought some new ones. I'm going to give everybody a sample. So this is the kind of glue that you'll be using for the projects that you'll be doing at our event on Saturday. So I'm going to give you a sample. You'll be able to use it, test it out, see if you like it. I have my project, my class kits all ready to go. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of what I have sort of in store for the attendees for this weekend. I'm so super excited. So again, I'm doing gift card holders 3 ways, but again, one of them technically has 2, so it's really 4. So I have the 3 different projects already separated out. Everything is cut, scored, folded. I even threw in the envelopes. That way these gift cards holders are ready to be used once you leave that class. And so one of them also, again, makes 2 of them. So really you're going to be leaving the class with 4 different gift card holders and 4 different envelopes. So this is an all-inclusive kit for each of the projects. It's so super exciting. I can't wait to kind of get together on Saturday. You'll be able to use that glue. I think we have 2 tickets remaining, one under my name, one under Debbie's name. I will list the links in case you do want to purchase a last minute ticket down in the description box below, so you can check that out. So we're so super excited. I'm also going to be throwing in some freebies. So I had purchased this die set for everybody who's attending because I really enjoyed it, and we're actually going to use this for some of the projects in my class. So I figured you can go home, make some more, and use that same die. So we're also going to be having sort of a mini sort of craft fair market. Each of the 3 of us is going to offer some either finished products or project kits. I'm going to be selling some individual card kits for $3, and these are all inclusive as well. So you can basically, after you take that class with me, you'll be able to go home, you'll have the kits ready and just continue to make additional ones. Everything is already cut, scored, prepped, everything, envelopes, everything is ready for you. I'll also have some other finished products that I'll have for sale, as well as Tobey and Debbie will as well. So if you were ever wanting to purchase something from either of the 3 of us, now is definitely your chance. Make sure you bring some cash so you can purchase some of those items. Again, this is the Paperie project. It's going to be this Saturday. I think we have 2 tickets left as of the making of this video. I believe there's 2. We've got handouts that you'll be getting. You've got all-inclusive project kits that you'll be getting. You've got some freebies that you'll be getting. You'll get to try out some of the products that we enjoy using. You'll have access to future release items that no one else has right now. There's going to be prizes and giveaways and discount codes. And then I think like I said, there's 2 tickets left. So make sure you check it out if you're interested. And I will see you guys on Saturday. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Happy crafting.